Hi, I'm Rob Vergara. I'm a Historic Gardens intern with the Golden Gate National Parks Conservancy. At UC Davis, I studied environmental science and management, as well as landscape restoration. I've been working in the gardens on Alcatraz and Black Point, assisting my mentors with projects such as leading weekly volunteer programs, restoring native plant and pollinator habitats, and engaging community groups in interpretive tours of our historic green spaces. Both of the gardens I mentioned are a labor of love, representing a years-long legacy of stewardship and collective effort. Back home in Pampanga, I love being outdoors with my brother and friends, developing my lifelong love for the natural world. When my family and I moved here, I was amazed to see the Pacific for the first time at Ocean Beach, but my favorite hiking spot growing up was always Maury Point in Pacifica. I revisited this spot during our internship South Parklands tour, where I was reminded that there's always something new to see in our parks. I hope to continue this work moving forward, creating more opportunities for underrepresented communities to spend time in nature.